It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out. New Food Friday, almost live from Las Vegas.
We're trying jackfruit.
Dried jackfruit.
Yummy, I love it. That's really good. From jalapeno pepper chips.
Those aren't jalapeno popper chips.
But you're good from
They're good.
Oh, is it better than jalapeno popper chips?
Mm-hmm.
These are good.
Could I take a try?
Yeah.
Tastes really good. In between 1 through 10, it would be like 8.
That is pretty good. It has a little mango flavor, but I like it. I love the mango. Me too. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, did Daddy's phone ding? Should we let Daddy have a try?
Yeah. So you can have a try. Dad, do you love them?
It's a little mango-y, but it's good.
It kind of stinks, but I don't really taste mango. It doesn't really have a lot of flavor. Is it kind of flavorless?
Yeah.
How does it smell? Kind of like
Disgusting.
fruity butt.
Uh-huh.
She doesn't want it. Well, put in.
All right, so what do we think of dried jackfruit? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Tastes really good. Doesn't smell good.
Thumbs down means yucky. Thumbs up means good. What do you think?
You like it? Bad.
It's all right.
It's bad now? You're going to put it back? All right, well, he's kind of undecided, I think. So in conclusion, it smells bad. The flavor is kind of lacking. It doesn't really have much flavor. You can slightly taste a fruity flavor, but it's really just kind of bland and chewy textures, just like dried fruit. The bag says it's vegan, fat-free, good source of vitamin C. Has some sodium, 32 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 22 grams of sugar. Serving size is 2 to 3 pieces. And the pieces are about this big, so not like a filling snack. Does have lots of sugar. They added sugar. Ingredients are jackfruit, cane sugar, sodium metabisulfite as a preservative. So maybe an occasional snack if you like it, but probably not something that we would be eating on a regular basis. So it was good to try. Probably not something we would buy again, since it is pretty much just like candy. But the kids liked it, so I think that was a thumbs up for the kids.